HR leadership means taking responsibility for both the people and the strategy behind a successful organization. It is about leading the HR function, but also guiding how people are hired, developed, supported, and retained. A great HR leader understands people and how to align them with business goals. This combination of empathy and strategy is what makes HR leadership so powerful. So, what exactly does an HR leader do? They build strong teams by hiring talent that fits both the role and the company culture. Recruitment becomes a strategic process with long-term impact. They create inclusive policies that promote fairness, flexibility, and diversity. These policies help shape a safe and supportive work environment. They develop future leaders through coaching, mentoring, and structured training. This prepares employees to grow and take on greater responsibility. They manage conflict and lead through change by guiding teams through uncertainty with clear communication and calm problem-solving. They improve well-being and engagement by supporting mental health, encouraging feedback, and recognizing achievements. All of this helps create a healthier and more successful organization. HR leaders also work closely with senior leadership. They offer guidance on how to lead with fairness, communicate clearly, and support long-term employee growth. In times of uncertainty, HR leaders become the bridge between business needs and employee concerns. Whether it's launching a new initiative or navigating workplace change, HR leadership is key to staying steady and supportive. HR leadership is not about controlling people. It is about enabling people to do their best work. It requires strong emotional intelligence, clear communication, a deep understanding of both business and human behavior. The best HR leaders inspire trust, promote collaboration, and create workplaces people want to be part of. In short, HR leadership shapes how people work, grow, and succeed together. It's one of the most valuable skills for building strong teams and lasting company culture. To learn more about becoming an effective HR leader, explore our professional training courses at the Knowledge Academy. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical videos on leadership, business, and personal development.